Hi guys. Back again with another find. I've got something super exciting. This best remote starter kit is a total game changer. Trust me, you're going to love what this brings to the table. First, the look of this thing. It's sleek, modern, and just screams high-end quality. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners on this one. Now, about the value you're getting here. It's affordable without skimping on quality. High-end features for less. High quality without breaking the bank. Yes, please. It's super functional for everyday use. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it, from office to bedroom. It's reliable, stylish, and honestly just a joy to use. Now, here's the catch, this offer won't last forever. Click the link below and secure the best possible price. Hit that bell so you never miss out on these gems.